Good morning, campers, to you. I'm going to make my normal breakfast, or one of my favourite breakfasts. It's an omelette, but I'm going to make it in the microwave. You can see my ingredients there. Eggs and mushrooms, cheese. Condiments at the front there are garlic oil and chili oil, butter, eggs, and my bread. I'm going to put all those ingredients in my plate there and then pop them in the microwave. And here's the action. Right, the eggs go in there, of course. You got to remember to break the eggs, because the eggs will explode if you put them in the microwave. The yolks will explode. It's like a mess then, isn't it? Mushrooms. In there you go. Some capsicum. I love capsicum these days. I never used to use it, but now I use it a lot. It's so tasty. Really tasty, actually. In it goes. It's a bit of a mess. I'm going to put some onion, because I got onion. I'm going to use it from yesterday. Haha. Of course, onion, you don't need an awful lot. Because you're cooking it in the microwave. Sorry, I'm a bit cack-handed because I've got to reach over this plate and try to film at the same time, so it's kind of tricky. So I've got eggs, I've got milk, got to add some milk to that. So this is an omelette. Give it a stir. Stir with a knife, stir and strike. Right, with some salt and pepper. Rock salt and pepper. Some garlic oil. I made that myself. Some chili oil. Right, what else have I always forget something. Anything? That's it. Now that can go in the microwave. I'm going to flip that in the microwave now, and it should come up all fluffy. Okay, I'm going to pause this and come back to it. Well, it's ready. I'm going to pull it out of the oven now. It's going to be hot, the microwave, so gotta be careful. Voila, there it is. I did forget to put the cheese in, so while I was on pause, I added it. Could have done a little bit longer to let the cheese melt a bit further, but that's it. All done. Lovely, isn't it? Quick 3-minute breakfast.